Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I upload Northeast Indian recipes and my motorcycle and travel vlogs. And if you have not yet subscribed, do consider subscribing. Today I am going to prepare Mula de Murgi Mangkho, which is a Assamese style chicken with turnip roots and typically prepared during winters. You will surely be amazed by how delicious this recipe is, where the pepperiness of the turnip is beautifully contrasted by the chicken and spice and condiments paste. Now without further ado, let's check out the ingredients. Chicken, turnip roots which I have peeled and then chopped into pieces, sliced onions, green chilies, finely chopped coriander leaves, cumin seeds, mustard seeds, garlic cloves, bay leaf, salt, turmeric powder and oil. Now let's start cooking. First of all, we need to make a paste of garlic cloves, green chilies, onion and cumin seeds. Pound them into a fine paste and keep aside. Now heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add your mustard seeds and let it splutter. Then add your finely chopped onions and bay leaf. Stir it on a low flame for a couple of minutes. Add your salt and turmeric powder, mix them well together. Add your chicken pieces, stir and open cook it for 10 minutes. Now add your chopped turnip roots and the paste which we have made earlier. Stir them well. Cover and cook it for 10 minutes. Now open cook it, stirring continuously until the oil begins to separate. Add 2 cups of water, stir, cover and cook it for 30 minutes on a medium to low flame, stirring occasionally in between. Finally, add your chopped coriander leaves and give it a quick stir. Here you go! Our Mula with Murgi Mangkho is ready! Our dish is looking super beautiful and has this perfect yellow color, definitely from the turmeric powder. And now without further ado, I'm going to taste it. With my spoon. Yeah, I'm going to take a small piece of chicken and some turnip roots. This is utterly delicious, and the flavor from all the spices have perfectly been absorbed by the chicken. The turnip root is really soft, and the coriander leaves added a beautiful flavor as well as a lot of fragrance. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Also, don't forget to share it with your family and friends so that they get to enjoy it too. So don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and keep supporting. We'll see you next week with another recipe.